From the rise of carnivore diets to concerns about the potential risks of red meat on heart disease and diabetes, understanding the intricate relationship between these factors is crucial for making informed dietary choices. The concept of a carnivore diet, which primarily consists of animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and poultry, has gained popularity among individuals seeking weight loss, improved energy levels, and overall health benefits. Proponents of this diet claim that it can lead to increased satiety, better blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. However, concerns have been raised regarding red meat's saturated fats and cholesterol and their potential impact on heart health. Diets high in saturated fats have been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. At the same time, excessive cholesterol intake may contribute to the development of atherosclerosis and other heart-related conditions. It is essential to be mindful of portion sizes and opt for lean cuts of red meat to minimize saturated fat intake and promote heart health. Incorporating red meat into a healthy diet requires a balanced approach emphasizing moderation and variety. While red meat can provide essential nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, limiting consumption and diversifying protein sources to include plant-based options such as legumes, nuts, and seeds is advisable. By incorporating various foods into your diet and practicing portion control, you can enjoy the benefits of red meat while mitigating potential risks associated with excessive intake. Stay tuned for practical tips on incorporating red meat into a nutritious diet. Stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis of the carnivore diet's impact on health and well-being as we navigate through the complexities of this polarizing topic. Impact on heart disease. The relationship between red meat consumption and its effect on heart disease and cardiovascular health has been a topic of ongoing debate and research. Understanding the role of saturated fats, cholesterol, and heme iron in red meat in contributing to heart disease risk is essential for making informed dietary choices that promote heart health. Saturated fats and dietary cholesterol found in red meat have long been associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Diets high in saturated fats can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, heme iron, predominantly found in red meat, has been linked to oxidative stress and inflammation, which are critical factors in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Numerous studies and research findings have explored the association between red meat intake and heart health outcomes. While some studies suggest a positive correlation between high red meat consumption and an elevated risk of heart disease, others have found conflicting results or identified potential confounding factors that may influence the relationship. When interpreting research on red meat and heart disease risk, it is essential to consider the quality of the red meat consumed, cooking methods, overall dietary patterns, and individual health factors. Evidence-based recommendations emphasize moderation, variety, and balance to reduce the risk of heart disease while including red meat in the diet. Additionally, practicing portion control, choosing healthier cooking methods like grilling or baking, and maintaining a well-rounded diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats can support cardiovascular wellness while enjoying red meat as part of a balanced diet.